Hello and welcome back to our channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to our channel, then please hit that subscribe button and do not forget to click on the bell icon so you guys can continue to receive regular updates from our end and you guys do not miss on the profitable scenarios that we discuss on a regular basis. Okay, so let us not waste any further time and continue the discussion of gold versus US dollar, GBP versus US dollar, and euro versus US dollar. Okay, so when we were discussing the market previously, it was the Friday, the 5th of July, and now we market is closed currently. And now we will be discussing the market for Monday, the 8th of July, before its opening. Okay, so let us go straight to the charts and start our discussion. Okay, so when we were discussing the market previously of gold, market was trending over here, and I was particular that this minor area would also be tested, and we were bullish in this gold. So if I told you guys clearly that if you guys were risky buyers, you could take an entry over here, and if you guys were non-risky buyers, then you guys could take an entry after the second positive candle, which was this. Okay, so let me take both of these trades and let us see how much profit or loss would you guys have made in this pair if you guys would have taken this risky entry. And your take profit would be 0.8% if this was if you guys would have taken a this huge entry. And then after this candle, then in this candle, if you guys were safety buyer, then you guys would have taken an entry over here. This will be your stop loss, and your take profit will be over here approximately, and this trade would have given us a 0.7% profit. Okay, so more or less the same profits would have been executed from both the trades. And now for the 8th of July, the new areas of resistance and support will come into play. Okay, so now let me figure out the new area of support and resistance, and for that, you guys have to see that currently market is trading over here, and market has broken this area. Okay, so now market is going to react from this area of resistance over here. Okay, so we are going to pull the market up over here, and this will be a good area of resistance. Okay, approximately here. Okay, so let me pull this market up. Okay, and afterwards you guys can clearly see that do we have any recent area of support, and you guys can clearly see that this area of support will not come into play, not this. This area as well, it's not gonna come into play. But what I am expecting is that I think maybe this area will come into play now. Okay, so and one more thing that we can do is that we can mark a Fibonacci level, so we can figure out so another thing of 0.5%. So this is the lowest point and this is the currently highest point. So 0.5% level is at approximately over here at our given support level. So there is a huge chance that market could take a pullback, and then market would continue to go upwards. Okay, so let us wait for the market's recovery as well. Okay, but the minor support area will, I have marked the minor support, so the major support will now become approximately over here. Okay, so the area has expanded a little bit in terms of gold, as it was not much expanded previously, but now it is expanded right now. Okay, so let me move this area. Okay, so the minor area of support is now 2376 instead of 2350, and there's a good chance that market might take a pullback, and there's a good chance that market might take a pullback till here as well. Okay, so just be vigilant. Okay, so let me write down the new areas of resistance. Okay, so the new area of resistance is 2392, 2392, and the upper area of resistance is 2400, 2400. The area of support is the major area of support is 2353, and the support zone, the lower support zone is 2343. 2343. Okay, so now let us move forward all these scenarios so you guys can easily take trades in this gold versus US dollar. And if you guys have any confusion, we are always here to help you guys as much as possible. And if you guys do not understand anything, you guys are always welcome to ask us all sort of questions. So, and we will try our best to answer each and every question with as much clarity as possible. Okay, so let me stretch these areas a little bit so there is no confusion for you guys. Okay, so that's all for the gold versus US dollar. I have marked new areas of support and resistance, so just follow the key for entries method, and I hope that you guys will be making good profits. Let us move to the next chart, which is the GBP USD pair from where we left off previously. Okay, so when we were discussing this GBP USD previously, market was trading over here, and if market goes just above our area of support of resistance, and if you guys would have taken this entry, let me take this entry over here. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 0.3% profit so far. And this trade could be very well still be in a running position. We were bullish in this GBP USD pair, and you guys can clearly see that market respected our sentiment and continued to go up. Now currently market is reacting from this area, and you guys can clearly see that market is reacting from here. Okay, so this will be the new area of resistance over here, and our new area of resistance zone will now be approximately here. Our short term area of support will now be approximately the area over here. Okay, this will be the new area of support because this was the previous area of previous area of resistance. So now this will become a short-term area of support, and the major area of support will now be approximately over here from where the market started to go up. Okay, so I have pulled up all the areas as much as possible, and now let us write down the new areas of support and resistance for you guys so you guys can easily take trades in this GBP USD pair on Monday, which will be 8th of July. The new area of resistance is 1.281. uh, the resistance zone is 1.28, 1.283. Okay, 1.283. Okay, and the major area of support is 1.273, 1.273, and the lower support zone is 1.270, 1.270. Okay, so I hope that you guys will follow these marked areas of support and resistance and the given areas of support zone and our key for entries method, and I hope that you guys will be making some good profits in this GBP USD pair, which is the British pound versus US dollar, and I hope that you guys will be making some good profits. So let me set this level a little bit so you guys can easily take trades. Okay. Okay, so that's all for GBP USD pair. Now let us move forward to the next pair, which is the Euro versus US dollar from where we left off previously. Okay, and over here you guys can once again clearly see that when we were discussing on Friday, market was trending over here, and we could have taken an entry over here and over here. So let me take both these entries and let us figure out that how much profit or loss would we had made if we would have taken these entries. This will be our first entry. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our take profit will be over here, giving us a 0.4% profit. Okay. Then afterwards, market gave us another opportunity when market tested our area of resistance and closed above over here. So we could have taken an entry over here. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 1.4% profit. Okay, so this was a good trade and a good entry as we were bullish in this Euro USD pair, and you guys can clearly see that market respected our area of resistance and reacted from it. And you guys can clearly see that market has reacted from this area now. Okay, so previously when market reacted from this area, market came down all the way over here, but now market is reacting from this area and making a bullish sentiment, so this area has to be broken. Okay, so let me pull up this area. Okay, so this will be the new area which needs to be broken, and the minor area of support will come into play over here, and the major area of support that will come into play is approximately over here from where the market started to rise. Okay, so now let me write down the new area of support and resistance for you guys, so you guys can easily take trades in this Euro USD pair and there is no further confusion. So on Monday it will be the 8th of July. The new area of resistance is 1.084, 1.084, 9, and the major area of resistance is 1.0865, 1.0865. Okay, so the area of support will be 1.0783, 1.0783, and the major area of support will be 1.0762, 1.0762. Okay, so now let us move forward the areas of support and resistance for you guys, so you guys can easily take trades uh, in this euro versus US dollar pair. And if you guys have any questions, you guys can ask us in the comment section, and we are always here to help you guys as much as possible and make your trading journey as easy as possible. And we try to share as much knowledge as we have with you guys, so you guys do not have any sort of confusion. Okay, so let me pull this area a little bit down and this area a little bit up. Okay. Okay, so that's all for Euro versus USD, and I hope that you guys will be following our key for entries method, and you guys will be making some good profits. Only risk maximum 2% of your total equity, and never risk more than that. My preference is to only risk 1% of the total equity in every trade. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I will see you guys on after Monday's market, and let's hope that we all make good profits. Thank you.